Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best AC filter. Here are the top 3 AC filters that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. AIRx filters clean air. This accessory assures the effectiveness of home HVAC systems that results in efficient heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It traps 1.0 to 10.0 microns of particles such as dust, lint, pollen, debris, pet dander, smoke and smog. Its design features include high-quality air, paper filter which is moisture-resistant and has a double-walled beverage board. AIRx filters uses electrostatically charged, 100% synthetic gradient media that can perform at temperature ranging from 180 Fahrenheit to 225 Fahrenheit. The pack size contains 6 filters and its dimensions measure 15.50 by 24.50 by 0.75 inches. At number 2. Filtrete room air conditioning filter. This filter captures airborne particles including dust, pollen, mold, pet dander, smoke and other chemical dusts. It features easy, cut-to-fit installation that works for all room air conditioners and available in sizes of 15 by 24 inches. This accessory is electrostatically charged to act like tiny magnets that attract and capture microscopic particles. It is ENERGY STAR certified, possesses an MPR rating of 1000 and can last up to 3 months. This filter helps in minimizing the effects of sneezing, eye lung irritations and allergic conjunctivitis. At number 1. Honeywell AC cleaning filter. This imported, polypropylene, carbon filter possesses a replacement media air cleaner with MERV of 11, ensuring clean and pure air. It entails various efficiency ranges for small particles 0.3 to 1.0 microns, medium particles 1.0 to 3.0 microns and large particles 3.0 to 10 microns. This accessory is easy to install and comes in various sizes compatible with Aprilaire, SpaceGuard and Tryon models. It provides a refreshed and revitalized environment, reducing dust, pollen, tobacco and pet dander. Honeywell cleaning filter is a portable item that is made from carbon filter that is long-lasting and durable. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.